How to set live wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of wallpaper, open it. Now click on the option add new wallpaper. With that, different options will appear. At the top, you're going to see the option of photos, photo shuffle, live photo, emoji, and so on. Click on the option live photo. With that, you're going to get access to all the live photos from your device. Select the picture that you want to set. Over here, you'll find this live icon, enable it. So you can see that I have just used the live photo. So this way you can easily set live wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18. Likewise, another thing you can do is click on cancel. Now head over to the section iOS 18. Once you're in this section, click on any of the wallpaper. Now swipe to the left, set it to dynamic. Once you set it to dynamic, the colors will be changed automatically. This is similar to the live wallpaper. The color for your wallpaper will be changing automatically. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.